Now we'll talk about the if function. The general syntax of an if function, of course, we start with an equal sign, then the name of the function if. And you can see that the if function takes 3 input arguments. The first input argument is the logical test. So this could be a logical expression or any Boolean function that could return either true or false. The second input argument is whatever you want to return if the logical test returns a true value. And the third input argument is whatever you want to return if the logical test returns a false value. Now let's see an example. So here in cell A1 we've typed the number 5 and we want to say if A1 is greater than 10 we will return the text big, and if it is less than 10 we will say in cell B1 small. So select cell B1, type in the equal sign, then the name of the function if, and first we want to do the logical test. So select cell A1, greater than 10, insert a comma for the second argument. So if A1 is greater than 10, we will say big. So to return a text, you need first to insert a double quotation mark, then type in the text, then insert another double quotation mark. Now insert a comma for the third argument, which is the false value. So we want to say small if it is less than 10. And close the parenthesis, hit Ctrl Enter. So obviously A1 is less than 10, so we will return small. So if we change A1 for example to 20, you can see that cell B1 will return big. Now also we can nest another if inside the main if. So for example, if we want to do more tests. So let's say if A1 is greater than 50, we want to say big. If it is between 50 and 10, we want to say medium. And if it is less than 10, we want to say small. So let's see how to do this. Equal sign, if, then the logical tests, we want to say if A1 greater than 10. Now, if it is greater than 10, for the true value, we want to put another condition. So it is greater than 10. How much it is greater than 10? We will say if it is greater than 50. Another test, if A1 greater than 50, insert a comma, we will say big. However, we will say medium. So this is another test inside the true value. Okay, it is greater than 10. Then we'll do another test. How much it is greater than 10? So we say greater than 50, it will do the second test inside the true value. Else, the third argument, so if it is less than 10, we will say small. And close the parenthesis and hit the enter key. So 20, it is between 10 and 50. So this will return medium. So if we say 60, this will return big. If we say 5, this will return small. So that's it. Now you know how to use the if function. In the second video, we will see a more practical example on using the if function.